This project consists of creating a digital twin with physics of a cobot cell. Cell includes a safety scanner, which produces dynamic warning and detection zones that are projected to operator. Virtual environment is managed in Unity. Digital twin is created of UR10e cobot cell. First, the room is scanned with Trimble X7 scanner to create a point cloud, which is populated with a CAD model of the cobot cell. Kinematic model of the cobot provides chain to move the manipulator accordingly. The task of the cobot is to perform pick and place with a wrist camera to detect object and a jig plate to place it. Process is automatic and continues in a loop. Unity environment works as a server and the cobot cell is a client. Physics are managed through AGX Dynamics, which is a SDK for modeling and simulation of mechanical systems. The dynamic safety configuration of the safety scanner is parsed in Unity and visualized for operator with a projector. These safety zones either reduce speed or halt the cobot. When areas are clear, the cobot continues its task automatically.